Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset, through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have 5 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money, knowing what I know about all of these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good reputation and a really good track record. And starting at this end of the table, we'll work our way from the cheapest through to the most expensive, and you'll generally find that as we work our way up the table the tools will start to have more features and functionalities, but you'll kind of work that out as we go through the video, okay? And if you're still unsure about which tool to go for at the end of this video, then please do email us. We'll pop the email in the description and also on screen here, so you can send us an email, give us your vehicle information and we can check that for you based on your make, your model and of course your budget, okay? So we're starting at this end of the table, and what I'll say first of all is I'll put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. This is the CP version 1.0 tool. Now this covers French and Italian vehicles, okay? It's the most basic tool on the table, but that doesn't mean it's not very good. It's very good at what it does. So let's say you need to diagnose a fault with, say, the engine, the ABS system, traction, airbags, transmission, parking sensors, HVAC heating systems, door locks, immobilizer, alarm, something like that, then this tool will allow you to do that. This tool will diagnose the fault code, it'll allow you to reset the fault code and reset the warning lights as appropriate, okay? It'll also do one service function, so it has, you'll learn about service functions as we go through the video, but this has the ability to do the oil service reset. So if you need to do a service reset, like you've got a message to say the oil reset or the maintenance is due, this will allow you to reset that, okay? So that's one of the built-in features to the CP version 1.0 tool. It also does live data. You know, if you wanted to check the live data for, say, like the ABS sensors to make sure they are, or which one is faulty, and lots of other systems within the vehicle, lots of live data for the engine system and all of the systems really, okay? So that's the CP version 1.0 tool. We then move on to the FR version 3.0 tool. So this is, again, French and Italian vehicles. You might be wondering what happened to the version 2.0 tool. We do stock the version 2.0 tool. It's just we feel that it's kind of like, it does more than this, but less than this. But it only does a little bit more than this and it does way less than this. So we feel that kind of like value for money tools, it's not the best value for money. And I would say for just a tiny bit more, you get a lot more out of the version 3.0 tool. So yeah, we still stock it, but we just don't think it's the best value for money, so we jump straight to the version 3.0 tool. Now this tool will do way more than the version 1 and the version 2 will. So yes, it does all of your systems, covers engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, you name it, but it also does a wide range of service functions. It's bi-directional, so it'll do component testing, it'll do adaptions, calibrations, a little bit of coding, depending on what exactly you need to do. Service function wise, it does everything like DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake retract, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, battery registration, injector coding, brake bleeding, suspension calibrations, EGR adaptions, fuel pumps, AdBlues, you name it. Again though, I would stress that it does matter which vehicle you're plugging it into. So if you wanted to double check that one of those service functions was going to work on your vehicle, then please do send us an email and we can definitely check that for you, okay? But this is the version 3.0 tool and it's been a really good seller for a few years and it's still continuing to sell really well. That's why we bring it back to the table, okay? So we then move on to the version 4.0 tool. This is the FR version 4, again, French and Italian vehicles. It does everything that the 1, 2 and 3 would do, but this has a few additional tricks up its sleeve, okay? So additionally, let me just explain that when you do the updates with these tools, they all come with free lifetime updates, by the way. But when you do the updates with the 1, 2 and the 3, you need to take out cables, you need to plug it into a PC laptop, download software onto the PC laptop, and then update the software that way. It's not difficult by any stretch of the mark, but it's a little bit fiddly. This tool makes it just so much easier because all you do is connect to your Wi-Fi, few taps, and it downloads the software via Wi-Fi. Okay, so everything can be done on the screen. You don't have to have it plugged into the vehicle because it does have an internal battery, so you can do it sitting in your house at a night time when it's convenient to yourself. Okay, so it does that. It is also a touch screen. These tools have buttons, so you kind of have to navigate your way through the menu system with the buttons, which again, it's not difficult, but this just makes it easier because you can just navigate, you can use the scroll, navigate straight to exactly where you need to be really fast. Okay, so that's it's a full touchscreen package. So that's the version 4.0 tool, and this is new to 2026. It's early 2026. We've had it on sale at the time of making this video for about 4 weeks, and these are selling really well. So that's the version 4.0 tool, another highly recommended tool. We then come to the CR Pro Kit. Now this has been a firm favorite for a number of years. It covers all manufacturers straight from the box. It does service functions, all systems. It doesn't do as many service functions as these two tools, granted. I think it's 9 or 12, but it does things like oil service, DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake, throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, new battery, injector coding, brake bleeding. Have a look at the listing. It gives a full list of service functions that this will cover. But again, though, one of the good features of this tool is that it covers all makes and models. Okay, service functions, all systems, live data. It's not bi-directional. You can't do coding and adaptions with the CR Pro Kit. You'd need to go to something like, well, this tool, which I'll come to in a moment, or back to something like one of these tools for that. Okay, but this is it's a good value for money tool. That's why it keeps coming back to the table, because it just gives you the option to get kind of a lower price tool, but have all manufacturers installed straight from the box. Okay, so we then move on to the CR Max kit. Now the CR Max kit takes all of the features from all of these tools and pops it into this one tablet. Okay, so it's touch screen. It is the most expensive tool on the table, granted, but it's not out of reach of most DIYers. Most DIYers are still going to be able to afford this tool. It's not like ridiculous garage prices or anything like that. It's Wi-Fi updates. It has pre-built, all manufacturers pre-built in. It does adaptions, codings, calibrations, actuation test. It's bi-directional. It does all of your service functions as well, and it's a really fast, intuitive tool. And again, this has been a good seller for a number of years, and we see no reason for this tool to be away from the table because it's such a good value package. Okay, so that's the CR Max kit. So if you're looking for kind of just the best tool that covers everything, all manufacturers, all systems, straight from the box, CR Max, definitely. Okay, now I said at the start of the video that I would give you my recommendations based on what I know about these tools and which tools I would go for if it was my personal money. I think without doubt, if I had my own French or Italian car, it would be the version 4.0 tool. It's going to cover me for all eventualities, everything that the cars will kind of throw at us. Okay, I mean, look, let's say if I had just an airbag light that I needed to reset, yeah, sure, I could get away with getting this tool. But let's say 2, 3 weeks, months, a year down the line, something else a bit more complex comes up, this tool is going to be able to cover it. This tool wouldn't. You might be kicking yourself a little bit, thinking, I wish I'd bought the better tool, because you wouldn't have then had to go and buy a new one or even put it into the garage to let them do the work. So the version 4.0 tool is just going to kind of handle everything the car throws at you. Okay, so that's the version 4, but the CR Max kit will allow you to well, this is the next one I would go for if I was saying I wanted a tool which had ultimate capability with all manufacturers straight from the box. Without doubt, it would be the CR Max kit. I think this is the best bang for buck tool on the table when it comes to cramming the most amount of software into the best priced, best tool and fast tool. The CR Max just makes so much more sense when you consider, yes, it's more than these, but it's for the amount of additional software you get, it's not monumentally more. It's only a little bit more, okay? So either the version 4.0 or the CR Max tool, definitely for me, okay? But if I haven't quite answered your question, and look, like I say, if all you need to do is maybe reset an airbag or a check engine light, and then you're going to be done with the vehicle, you're going to sell it on or whatever, then the version 1 tool will more than cover your needs. But if you still need a little bit of clarification or there's something I haven't quite covered in this video, then please do email us. The email address is in the description. I'll pop it on screen as well. Send us an email, we can check for you, we can give you the best recommendation, give us your vehicle information, the make, the model year, if possible the VIN number, because sometimes we might need to come back to you for that VIN number just to clarify something. So give us as much information as possible, what service function or reset you're looking to carry out, and we'll recommend a tool for you. But I hope this video has helped. Links to all of these kits are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.